Have you ever wondered what happens when a mortgage goes unpaid? Can the lender take your property? Or do you have the right to get it back? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of Section 67 of the Transfer of Property Act of 1882 and tell you everything you need to know about redemption and foreclosure. Section 67 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 is a critical provision governing the rights of mortgagors and mortgagees in India. This section addresses the delicate balance between the right to redemption for mortgagors and the right to foreclosure or sale for mortgagees. You're a student, a property owner, or someone curious about Indian law. Understanding this section is essential. Today, we'll break it down step by step for you. Here's a summary of what we are going to discuss. First, what Section 67 covers: right of redemption and foreclosure. 2. Who can exercise these rights and when? 3. Case laws that define its interpretation. 4. Steps to protect your rights as a mortgager or mortgagee. Let's dive into the details. Let's begin with the core of this section to understand its provisions. Section 67 empowers a mortgagee to foreclose or sell the property when the mortgagor fails to repay the loan. However, it also gives the mortgagor the right to redeem the property by clearing the debt before the foreclosure process is complete. To simplify, if you have taken a loan against your property and fail to repay, the lender can foreclose. But if you clear your dues in time, you can save your property. These are the main highlights of Section 67 that you should know. First, right to foreclosure or sale. The mortgagee can initiate foreclosure or sale to recover dues, but only if the mortgage is not an anomalous mortgage. 2. Right to redemption. The mortgagor has the right to reclaim their property by repaying the loan before foreclosure. 3. Judicial oversight. In many cases, courts oversee the foreclosure or sale to ensure fairness. These provisions aim to balance the rights of both parties and avoid unjust enrichment of either side. Let's delve into how Indian courts have interpreted Section 67 of the Transfer of Property Act of 1882 through notable judgments. First, Narandas Karsondas versus S.A. Kamtam and others. The Supreme Court ruled that a mortgagor retains the right to redeem the mortgage property until the sale is completed by registration, emphasizing that mere execution of a contract of sale does not extinguish this right. 2. Gopal Narayan Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others. In this case, the court addressed issues related to property disputes, highlighting the importance of proper legal procedures in matters concerning property rights. 3. Srimati Niharika Ghosh versus Sri Shankar Ghosh. This recent judgment dealt with family property disputes, shedding light on the complexities involved in property settlements and the role of the judiciary in resolving such issues. These cases illustrate the judiciary's role in interpreting Section 67, ensuring a fair balance between rights of mortgagors and mortgagees, and emphasizing the necessity of adhering to legal procedures in property transactions. Here's what you can do if your rights under Section 67 are at stake. First, for mortgagors or property owners, repay the loan promptly to avoid foreclosure. File a suit for redemption if the mortgagee denies your right. 2. For mortgagees or lenders, file for foreclosure or sale through the property if repayment fails. Ensure compliance with judicial directives to avoid disputes. Taking these steps in a timely manner can save you from long-term legal battles. Recent developments in case law and legal interpretations bring more clarity to Section 67. First, foreclosure guidelines. Courts have been emphasizing alternative dispute resolution mechanisms to settle foreclosure disputes amicably. 2. Digital transactions. The use of online platforms for property transactions have streamlined the mortgage process, reducing fraud. These updates show the evolving nature of the law to meet modern challenges. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways from today's discussion. First, Section 67 balances the right of both mortgagors and mortgagees. 2. Redemption is the right of the mortgagor, while foreclosure or sale is the right of the mortgagee. 3. Judicial oversight ensures fairness in disputes. 4. Case laws provide clarity on its application. 5. Recent updates highlight modern adaptations to the law. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Drop your questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.